That's where courses like Crucial Conversations become so important. Because if you've got a faculty and it's tense, or they don't like whatever's going on, but they don't feel as though they can approach a head of department about that, or if you've got a head of department who can't talk to someone else about what's going on with what's actually courses like Crucial Conversations, and that was going to be the next part. Specifically, what do? I actually do a lot of training for staff on areas that are more about them as a person and a professional than it is necessarily about outcome 1A. Like, there's a lot of courses being delivered on how to teach, this dot point and this dot point in a syllabus. But how much do we do to train staff in conflict resolution? How much do we do with staff on actually how to change management processes? And yet a lot of what you do as an educator is conflict resolution. And it's whether it's a parent, it's colleagues, it's kids in front of you.
Yeah.
And so for me, doing a lot of that work to give staff the skills to be the best version of themselves actually then helps alleviate a whole lot of their stress, because they now feel as though they've actually got some skills to go into a whole lot of those situations. So that's some of the things that I do in that space. And some of those skills are transferable into other organisations that they are a part of, sporting groups and church groups and whatever it be outside of school, into their own relationships with others, because actually now I'm equipping them to be the best versions of themselves. And I think that staff go, wow, that's that sense of belonging and belief.
Absolutely.
This guy believes in me enough to do training on something which isn't even necessarily about that syllabus dot point, but I'll be able to do that better because I'm better. So that's some of the things that I've tried to do as well.